In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scale objects in AutoCAD effectively. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on your skills, understanding how to scale your objects precisely is essential in planning and designing with accuracy. Let's begin by selecting the objects you want to scale. Simply click on the object or objects. It's important to visually ensure that you've selected everything you intend to resize, as missing even a small item might affect the overall proportions or design of your project. Next, navigate to the Home tab, which is your primary destination for most design modifications. Within this tab, you'll find the Modify section. Here, look for the option labeled Scale. This button will help you initiate the scaling process in a straightforward manner. But if you're someone who prefers a faster approach, you can quickly activate the Scale command by typing SC into the command line and pressing Enter. This shortcut can be a real time saver, especially when you're working on larger projects with numerous adjustments. Once you've engaged the Scale function, the next step is to choose a base point. This base point acts as the anchor for your scaling operation. You can use your mouse to click on a point within your selected objects. The choice of base point can drastically impact your final outcome, so select it strategically to retain the intended orientation and position of your design. At this stage, you have two methods to scale your object. You can either scale it manually by moving your mouse, or enter a precise scaling factor. The manual scaling option is great if you're doing a rough adjustment and want visual feedback for size alterations. However, if precision is your goal, typing in a numerical factor is best. For instance, entering the number 1 will retain your object's original size. Typing 2 will scale your object to twice its size, while 0.5 will decrease it to half its original size. Moreover, there are additional options you might find useful. You can choose the copy option if you wish to keep the original while creating a proportionally scaled version. This is particularly handy when comparing different scales of the same design. There's also the reference option, which allows you to scale an object based on a specific reference length. This is useful if you have a precise reference line, like a wall or another object in your project, from which you want to determine scale. By mastering this scaling process, you'll ensure your designs are accurate and effectively communicate the intended scale. Whether making small adjustments or significantly resizing objects, using these techniques will help maintain the fidelity and quality of your work in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!